Hello and welcome to Gastronaut's Kitchen. Hope these photos of ours will inspire you because we are making a Polynesian dish that is called puree. Last week we were making poisson cru, and puree is a perfect side dish for a poisson cru. You will see the recipe of poisson cru attached at the end of this video or in the description. Puree is very much like a pudding. It's made with bananas, and if your bananas are like ours, not fully ripe with brown spots, add some sugar and vanilla extract and a cup of starch. Puree using a hand mixer. If you have other fruits at home that are ripe, you can use them as well. Add a dash of salt and puree until consistency becomes smooth. You can use a peach, a nectarine, or a pear, but you cannot use many of them because they're a lot more watery and we need for consistency mainly bananas. And if you do use any of the other fruits, compensate by adding more starch. Coat a small baking pan with butter or ghee. Make sure the sides are also covered. And preheat the oven to 180 degrees or 355 Fahrenheit. Now pour in the mixture. The Tahitian word poi derives from the Polynesian root poke, meaning to mix or to knead. It is also known as poke in Polynesian languages, except Tahitian and Austral. Cook for about 40-45 minutes until the poi becomes firm. Then cover it with the towel and leave it to cool down. Once it has cooled down, flip it over, cut it into small pieces approximately 1 by 2 centimeters. Originally, poi involved cooking and mashing bananas with arrowroot flour to a smooth consistency. This mixture was wrapped in the banana leaves, baked in an earth oven until it reached a pudding-like texture, then cut into pieces and served with coconut cream. Modern variations of the recipe substitute bananas with other fruits and deploy cassava or cornstarch for thickening. Add 250 milliliters of coconut cream to poi. Mix it well. Remember that poi is a perfect side dish for the poisson cru that we have introduced in our video last week. Don't forget to give us a like and share it with your friends.